Hello, wrap top lovers. So, today we are transforming an old shirt into a wrap top. So, get those shirts ready, and it doesn't matter if the shirt has a collar or not, you can still use it for this tutorial. And I drifted this top simply because of the fabric. I love the fabric, but the style itself is a no for me, so I decided to transform into my favorite top of all time, which is wrap top. I have different variation of this wrap top in all kind of fabrics. So first thing, we're just going to cut the length that I want. I decided to go for 17-inch. You can make yours higher up or lower down, but this is how I like it because I usually pair this with high waist jean. So that's what I'm doing first. So at this point, if your shirt has a collar, you just remove it and then fold like this. So I'm just going to work on the front part, but before then I'm going to pin it down so that it stays in place while I'm tracing at the lines. So but before cutting out this front part, we're going to mark at 3-inch from the down part. This is to know where to stop in our slant shape that we're going to cut out now. So I'm just going to use a ruler to create a slant lines here. So you just place your ruler in a way that will take you up to the joining at the shoulder and then roll it out and cut. So this is ready. Now I'm just going to place it to see if it's well lined. So this is it, it's okay. And then that 3-inch that we left is where we're going to attach the strap. But to do so, if you notice, this shirt has opening at the sides, so I'm just going to close the opening and then get the strap fabric for this. So the width of the strap I added is 3-inch. The length depends on you and the amount of fabric you have. So this one that I'm using is around 28-inch on both sides. So I just didn't add more to it because this is more than enough to go around my waist. Now I'm just removing the button holes and fold there. So now I'm attaching the strap to the 3-inch that we left. So this is what is going to increase the length. So this is it, and I recommend French seam for this joining to make it neater. And you can actually check my short. I think I have a video of that, how to join. So next I'm just going to fold. I didn't pin this down before I sew because it's time wasting to do that. So you just fold it as you are sewing. So just hem it down and the neckline. So this is it. I decided to add bias to the joining at the 3-inch side, you can see. So you can do so, or you can just do French seam. For the sleeve, I didn't want to leave it like that. I decided to just turn it and then add elastic to it to give it more, beauty. I love puffy sleeves. the sleeve is ready. You just to attach the band and then you're good to go. So you can just cross it like this, or you can actually put a key O at the one of the sides to wear this, or you can just wear it the way I like to do. So this is me showing you how I do mine. I don't add key O to the side, I just turn it in like this. So this is it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe before you leave me a comment. If you have a question or any other kind of tutorial you would like to see on my channel, just leave me a comment. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.